Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear and respected elders, friends, brothers and sisters and children, this servant of Quran has recorded innumerable cassettes in the service of Quran, and this book, Yassarnal Quran, has already been recorded in Urdu language long back. Now, for the benefit of the English-knowing Muslim brothers and sisters, this book, Yassarnal Quran, is being recorded in English. This CD will teach you effectively the correct reading of Holy Quran. Please listen to this CD with rapt attention and with keen interest, and it is better if you read along with me word by word and the correct accent of every letter, alphabet. Inshallah, reciting of Quran will become very easy for you all. My dear Muslim brothers and sisters, we eat food as better as possible, wear as good dress as possible, and try to own every worldly object in the best possible quality. These are all, as a matter of fact, purely temporary things. But the Holy Quran, which are the pure words of Allah the Almighty, and which have to last with us, we recite it as we wish without minding for mistakes. We do not make any effort to correct it. Alas, what answer are we to give to Allah? If you read Quran correctly, then only your namaz, prayer, will be properly executed. Otherwise, it goes totally wrong and it may afflict sins to us. Now, I start the lesson. Please open your book Yassarnal Quran and go on listening me and looking on the letters, words of it, and read it with me. This is Arabic language. This is started from the right side, unlike English or other languages. See on page first from the right side, read. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. Lesson number 1. This lesson speaks of point, dot or nuqtah in Arabic. That is, keep your kalima finger, index finger, near the dot and go on reading. Nuqtah, nuqtah. Now you have a counting of nuqtas or dots. Listen to me and read with me. 1 nuqtah, 2 nuqtas, 1 nuqtah, 1 nuqtah, 2 nuqtas, 2 nuqtas, 1 nuqtah, 2 nuqtas, 3 nuqtas, 3 nuqtas, 2 nuqtas, 1 nuqtah, 2 nuqtas, 3 nuqtas, 3 nuqtas, 2 nuqtas, 1 nuqtah, 1 nuqtah, 3 nuqtas. Next, in this lesson, the dots are either above the line or below the line. In place of a letter, use the dots, nuqtas, with the line. It will be read one nuqtah on the line, one nuqtah below the line, two nuqtas on the line and two nuqtas below the line, and three nuqtas on the line, two nuqtas below the line, one nuqtah on the line. Next, three nuqtas on the line, one nuqtah below the line, two nuqtas on the line, one nuqtah below the line, two nuqtas on the line, one nuqtah on the line, three nuqtas on the line,